Hello everyone, welcome to Buyer Advisor, the best product review channel on YouTube. To make this video, our experts reviewed 100 plus products and picked only the best items for you. All products are available on Amazon. Discount lovers can check below in the description for special product links. So let's get started.
Our number one choice is Lotus LTP 5000D Arc Plasma Cutter. This machine has become very popular in the plasma cutting world because of its cutting ability and its incredibly low price. The LTP 5000D's success is due to the fact that there is no other machine on the market that runs at 50 amps. Efficiently cuts the rough, painted, and rusty surfaces and produces minimal slag. Pilot Arc technology allows you to cut without touching the tip to the metal. Better cutting quality and longer consumable life. A compact plasma cutter has a handle for portability and uses non-hazardous compressed air to cut stainless steel, alloy steel, mild steel, copper, and aluminum. Pilot Arc torch efficiently cuts the rough, painted, and rusty surfaces. Pilot Arc technology allows you to cut without touching the tip to the metal. Better cutting quality and longer consumable life. Compact plasma cutter has a handle for portability and uses non-hazardous compressed air to cut stainless steel, alloy steel, mild steel, copper and aluminum. The Lotus LTP 5000D Pilot Arc Plasma Cutter delivers strong cutting performance in a compact package. The Pilot Arc feature is especially useful for continuous cutting on rough surfaces or dirty metal. Our second best plasma cutter for the money is THULIUM Plasma Cutter. If you are a DIY enthusiast, then you can choose THULIUM Plasma Cutter. The torch head does not need to touch the metal plate, then it will start arc. Better cutting quality and longer consumable life. Incorporates non-touch Pilot Arc cutting processes. Cutting effect is very ideal and can finish the work regardless if the material is very rough, rusty, greasy, dirty, spray painted, etc. Meanwhile, longer consumable life. With 50A heavy-duty plug adapter, auto voltage adapts to 110V to 220V input power. DC output digital LCD display. Can see the current data clearly and easier. Suitable for a wide range of applications including sheet metal fabrication, light industrial use, automotive, ducting work, repair and maintenance services. Widely used for cutting stainless steel, alloy steel, mild steel, copper and other color metal materials. Third pick in our list is PRIMEWELT 50A Air Inverter Plasma Cutter. If you need a portable plasma cutter that makes moving from project to project a breeze at a price that won't break the bank. Designed from the ground up to withstand extensive use in rugged industrial and construction environments. It's also perfect for any home project. 50A dual voltage 110 or 220V digital inverter plasma cutter. Using this portable plasma cutter is cheaper than oxyacetylene after just a few cuts. Less cleaning, maintenance, noxious gases, and less fire hazard. You have simply less overall work and a better, cleaner cut. The high-frequency DC plasma cuts thicker materials than standard DC plasma cutters. Cuts faster with less distortion in the workpiece. Optimized design based on state-of-the-art MOSFET transistors provides high power output for thick metal, as well as steady output for thin metal. With your PRIMEWELT plasma cutter, you can cut stainless steel, alloy steel, mild steel, copper aluminum, and other metal materials without breaking a sweat. Number 4 in our side is the Weldcut 50 Plasma Cutter. This plasma cutter can automatically adapt to switch input power of 90 volts to 260 volts, plug and play in different environments, no external conversion plug required. Cut 5050 AMP plasma cutter is made of high-quality components, by adopting the most advanced inverter technical of switch power, as well as the product life and work efficiency are increased by 30% than ordinary machines, smooth cutting surface, permanent supply of high-quality consumables. Compact plasma cutting machine with LCD digital display and equipped with a portable handle, it is very convenient to operate and carry. Long-term supply of consumables. This is a professional plasma cutter, which is widely used for cutting stainless steel, alloy steel, mild steel, copper and other color metal materials. Cutting thickness is 1 to 20 mm, effective cutting thickness 10 mm. For details, let's watch more. Number 5 in our top 5 best plasma cutter for the money list is Forney EasyWeld 251 plasma cutter. The Forney EasyWeld 20P is a powerful and easy to use plasma cutter. This machine is easily transportable. This plasma cutter also features drag torch technology, which allows you to drag the tip directly on the surface of the material for smooth and precise cuts. This machine is generator friendly and runs off a standard 120 volts outlet, making cutting on the go easy and efficient. With this plasma cutter, you can clean cut mild steel, stainless steel, aluminum, galvanized steel, brass and copper up to 1/4 inch. Mild steel, aluminum and stainless steel from thin material to 1/4 inch with ease. All you need is 120 volt power source and 1.5 CFM of compressed air. Built-in regulator and air dryer make operation a breeze. Allows you to drag cutting tip in direct contact with the metal you're cutting for smooth, consistent, clean cuts. Forney's 120 volt 20P plasma cutter is generator friendly, so on the go cutting and moving to different job sites is possible. For details, let's watch more.
Hi, I'm Caitlin with Forney Industries. Here we have our Forney EasyWeld 20P plasma cutter. Let's open it up and see what's inside. The input is 120 volts and the output is 20 amps max with a 35% duty cycle. It can cleanly cut up to 1/4 inch plate and sever up to 3/8 inch. This machine comes with Forney contact info, quick start guide, and manual, and also comes with an additional set of consumables. It includes a plasma torch, a 15 to 20 amp plug adapter, ground cable, and clamp. To get started, all you need is standard household power. Use the adapter if needed. Next, attach a line to your air compressor. For best cutting performance, make sure that the air is as clean and dry as you can get it and between 60 and 90 psi. Make sure you have a good ground too, otherwise your cutting performance will suffer. The cutting tip uses drag torch technology and allows you to keep the cutting tip in contact with the material you're cutting. The output current knob is the only adjustment you make on the machine, and it allows you to fine-tune your cutting arc to the thickness of the material you're cutting. As you pull the trigger to start your cut, the air will flow for a few seconds to purge the airline, and then the arc will fire up. When you're done cutting, the air will continue flowing for a few seconds to cool the cutting tip and extend its life. That sums up the Forney EasyWeld 20P. It's perfect for auto body, farm and ranch, HVAC, plumbing, and do-it-yourselfers. Remember to wear the proper personal protective gear, non-flammable clothing like cotton or denim, Shade 5 eye protection, and fire-resistant gloves and jacket. Consult the manual for additional tips.
Thanks for watching this video. Hope this guide will help you to make your decision easier. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more guide and special tips on your feed.